Hello students, welcome back to the Smart Box. Now today we will be watching our class 7th maths lecture, that is chapter 3 HCF and LCM. Okay, this is the part 1 of the video. We will be watching a very in detail thing that what is HCF and what is LCM. Okay, first of all I will be giving you all the full form of HCF and LCM. The first thing you all have to write after the chapter's name will be the full form. Okay, now what do you mean by HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Okay, and what is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. Okay, here M stands for multiple. Okay, now okay, so here are some questions for you all on the first page of your textbook that you have to do because this is a warm-up session. Okay, now I'll be reading the question for you all. Which is the smallest prime number? Okay, what do you mean by prime number now? A prime number is a number which does not come in anyone else table. Okay, like I'll be telling 7. Okay, so 7 does not come in any table, it comes only in 1 sevens are 7 and 7 ones are 7. That's it does not come in any other table. That number is known as what? Prime number. Okay, so now the question is, what is the smallest prime number? Okay, so the smallest prime number is 2. How? Because you can see that 2 comes only in 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 1, only these two tables. So if the 2 is coming in only these two tables, then we can say that 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, now what is the second question? List the prime numbers from 1 to 50, how many they are. Okay, now you all know that what are the prime number. This will be a homework for you. Now I will be giving you 2 to 3 examples and then आगे आप continue करोगे. You have to write 1 to 50 all the prime numbers. Okay, but 1 is not a prime number. Always remember, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, so I will be writing here 2. 2 is the first prime number, after that 3, after that 5. Why not 4? Because 4 comes in 2 table na. If I write here 4, then 4 comes in 1 table also. Okay, 4 comes in 2 table also. 2 2s is 4 and then 4 1s are 4. So after 1 and 4 it also comes in 2's table. So therefore 2 is not a prime number. Okay, 6 is also not a prime number. Why 6 is not a prime number? Because 6 comes in 3's table. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Okay, so this is not a prime number. But 7 is a prime number because we have seen just now that 7 does not comes in any of the table. Okay, now 8 is a non-prime number because 8 comes in 4's table, 2's table. Okay, 9 is also not a prime number, 10 is also not a prime number, 11 is a prime number. Okay, so like this you have to write till 50. Okay, you have to write till 50. This is your first homework. Okay, now next, circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Okay, these are the numbers given to us. We have to now what? We have to see that these numbers comes in table, any table or not, if they are prime or not. So how will we doing that? We will be doing 17. Okay, so can you read any table that comes in then comes 17 comes in that table? So no, there is no table जिसके अंदर क्या 17 आता हो. Okay, so we will be circling 17. Now next is 15. 15 comes in 5's table. 5 3s are 15, so 15 can't be a prime number. Next is 4. 4 is also not a prime number because 2 2s is what? 4. Okay, so next is 3. Next is 3. So 3 also does not comes in any of the table. Therefore 3 is also a prime number. Okay, next is what? 1. So I just now said that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, so we will be further moving. Then this is what? This is 2. So 2 is the smallest prime number we just wrote, then therefore 2 is a prime number. 12 is not a prime number because we can see that 12 comes in which table? 6 table, 2 table, 4 tables, 3 table. Okay, so 12 is not a prime number. Now 23 does not comes in any table, so I will be circling it 23. 27 you can tell that 27 comes in 3's table. 9 3s are 27, so 27 is not a prime number. 35 is also not a prime number. 7 5s are 35. 41, now 41 is also a prime number. Okay, 41 does not comes in any of the tables, so we will be circling it. 43 also does not come in any table. 58 comes in 2 table. Okay, now you all are grown up. आपको ये नहीं समझ में आना चाहिए कि 2 का टेबल जो है वो सिर्फ 10 तक होता है. 2 10s are 20. No, but if we divide 58 we can get the answer, so it also comes in 2's table. Okay, now next 51. Now 51 is also a not a prime number because it comes in how much table? 3's table. 3 के टेबल में ये आता है. Okay, 72 also comes in 3's table. 79 does not come in any table, so this is a prime number. 91 again does not come in any table, and 97 also does not come in any table. So these all are prime number. This is the first page which you have to write also in your notebook. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now next is the thing which you have to understand is co-prime numbers. Okay, so what do you mean by co-prime number? Two numbers which have only one as common factor are said as co-prime number, और रिलेटिव प्राइम नंबर और म्यूचुअली प्राइम नंबर. ओके, इसके कितने नाम है? 3 नाम है. फर्स्ट नेम इज को प्राइम नंबर, रिलेटिव प्राइम नंबर एंड म्यूचुअली प्राइम नंबर. तीनों का मतलब सेम होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय को प्राइम नंबर? इफ एनी नंबर विच इज हैविंग ओनली वन एज देयर कॉमन मल्टीपल इज नोन एज व्हाट? को प्राइम नंबर. As in this, if we take the example of 3 and 8, अगर हम 3 को लिखेंगे, so we can write 3 and 1. 3 and 1 are the factors of 3. But if we write 8, 8 किस के टेबल में आता है? 8 2 के टेबल में आता है. Okay, 8 comes in 4's table, 8 comes in 8 table and also in 1. Okay, so if you watch this and this, what is the common thing you all can see? Only 1. Okay, 1 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो दोनों में क्या है? कॉमन है. इफ देर इज ओनली 1 which is common in both the factor, then that number is called as co-prime numbers. Okay, again another example, 4 and 9. Okay, so 4 किसके टेबल में आता है? We will start with 1, then 2, then 4. That's it. Now 9 किसके टेबल में आता है? 1. Okay, then 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता. Then 3 3 is 9 and then 9. Okay, so again watch it. You all can see that only 1 is the number which is common here. Therefore this is known as what? Co-prime numbers. These 3 you have to do by yourself in your notebook. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is twin prime numbers. Okay, what do you mean by twin prime numbers? Now if the difference between two co-prime numbers, we just now saw what is co-prime number, is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. Okay, now इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? I'll tell you. This is 3 and 5. Okay, if I write the factors of 3 and 5, 3 किसके टेबल में आता है? 3 के and 1 के टेबल में. Another is 5. 5 किसके टेबल में आता है? 5 and 1 itself. Okay, so we can say that these are co-prime numbers, but what is the difference between them? Now how to find difference? The bigger number is 5 and the smaller number is what? 3. So 5 minus 3 will be what? 2. So the difference between these number is what? 2. So here it is written that the difference between the two co-prime number is 2. Okay, here it is written कि अगर difference कितना है? 2 है, then that two numbers are known as what? Co-prime numbers. Again I'll test this one. 29 and 31 both are prime number. Okay, but 29 also comes in 29's table and 31 only comes in 31's table. Now we can see that only 1 is a number that is common, then therefore they are co-prime number. But are they twin prime number. So I will be subtracting the bigger number with smaller number. 31 minus 29, I'll get the answer 2. So if the answer in the difference is 2, then they are known as what? Twin prime number. You have to check if these two are twin prime number or not in your notebook. Okay, next is your practice set. Now practice set 10. Okay, which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Okay, so I have told you that is the what is the answer? Answer is 1. 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number, so you all be writing here 1. Okay, 1 is your answer. Okay, next, what's next? Which of the following are pairs of co-prime? Okay, we just saw that. What do you mean by co-prime? If the numbers are having only 1 in the common multiple, then they are known as what? Co-prime numbers. So I'll be writing here first 8. Okay, so 8 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? Then we will be writing what? First we will be writing 1, क्योंकि 1 के टेबल में सब जाता है. Okay, then 2 4s are 8, then 4 2s are 8, and then 8. These are the factors for 8. Now I'll be writing the factors for 14. 14 भी सबसे पहले 1 के टेबल में जाता है. Then it comes in 2's table. 2 7s are 14. Then 3 में नहीं, 4 में नहीं, 5 में नहीं, 6 में नहीं, 7 में. Okay, so it comes in 7's table. 7 2s are 14, and then directly it comes in 14's table. Now we can see that there is 1 and also 2. 2 is also a common multiple over here. Okay, so if 2 is also a common multiple over here, then we can't say that these numbers are co-prime numbers. So what we will be writing? 8 and 14 are not co-prime. Okay, this will be your answer. Now I'll be doing the second one will be your homework. That is easy. I'll be doing third one for you all. Third one is what? Third one is 17. Okay, now 17 is a prime number. It does not come in any of the table, so I'll be writing 1 and 17 itself. Same goes for 19 also, so 1 and 19. Now we can say that only 1 is a common multiple over here. We will write therefore 17 and 19 are co-prime. Okay, so this will be your homework. Okay, so 2 sums will be your homework. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the video down. Okay, next, third sum. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. Okay, now this is very big question. I will showing you how to solve it, and then further you all will be continuing it in as a homework. Okay, now from where we have to start? We have to start with 25. Okay, so I'll be writing here prime number, okay, and non-prime. बोथ आई विल बी राइटिंग, ताकि लास्ट में हमको गिनने में क्या हो जाए, आसानी हो जाए. ओके, सो 25 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. वाई? बिकॉज 5 5 25. ओके, नाउ रिमेंबर एवरी इवन नंबर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इवन नंबर? इवन नंबर मीन्स जो भी 2 के टेबल में जाता है उसको इवन नंबर बोलते हैं. लाइक व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स? 2 4 6 8 and 0. Okay, these 5 are what? Even numbers. So if there is even number in the last of the digit, suppose I am talking about 96, so last digit is what? 6. Okay, 6 is a even number, then it is not a prime number. Always remember, because 96 जो है वो 2 के टेबल में जाएगा, यानी 2 से डिवाइड होगा. So 96 will be never a prime number because its last digit is what? A even number. Okay, so 25 is a non-prime number because वो क्या आता है? 5 के टेबल में आता है. Now 26 is again a non-prime number. 27 is again a non-prime number because 27 comes in 3's table. We know 3 7s is what? 27. So 27 will be also a non-prime number. 28 again, it is a even number over here, so 28 also is a non-prime number. 29 is a prime number. I'll be writing it here. देन अगेन 30 आएगा, 30 विल बी ऑल्सो अ नॉन प्राइम नंबर, 31 विल बी अ prime number, 32 a non-prime number, 33 is also a non-prime number because 33 11 के टेबल में आता है, 11 3 is a 33, 34 again a non-prime number because again यहाँ पे 4 आ रहा है and 4 is a even number which cannot be a prime number. Okay, 35 again, 35 will be coming in 5's table, 7 5 is a 35, 36 is also a non-prime number, 6 6 is a 36, 37 is a prime number, 38 again is not a prime number, so I'll be writing here 38, 39 is a non-prime number. Okay, 40 is again a non-prime number, 41 is a prime number. Okay, 41 is a prime number, 42 is a non-prime number, 43 is a prime number, 44 is not a prime number, 45 again is not a prime number because 9 5 is 45 आता है. Okay, 46 again non-prime number, 47 is a prime number. Okay, 48 again a non-prime number, 49 is also a non-prime number. क्यों? 7 7 का क्या होता है? 49. Okay, 50 again a non-prime number, 51. Okay, 51 is a prime number, 52 is not a prime number. Okay, so मैंने आपको जो है 52 तक करके दे दिया है. आगे टिल 100 यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस एंड आपको जो है इसको क्या करना है, फिल करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 मैंने आपको दे दिया है. आगे के जो है वो आपको करने हैं एज अ होमवर्क. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप नीचे फिर से कमेंट में हमको बता सकते हैं. आई विल बी फुलफिलिंग योर डाउट्स. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज write all the twin prime number from 51 to 100. Okay, again this is a very big question again. So what I'll be doing, मैं आपको एक दो एग्जाम्पल करके बताता हूँ, देन फर्दर यू विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट 51. ओके, सो 51 and 52 is not a prime number. Next prime number will be 53. Okay, now these both are what prime numbers. नाउ हमको क्या देखना है कि 53 और 51 के बीच में गैप कितना है? 2. ओके, सो दीज टू विल बी व्हाट? ट्विन प्राइम नंबर. ओके, दिस टू विल बी व्हाट? ट्विन प्राइम नंबर. नाउ नेक्स्ट विल बी व्हाट? 53 and 55. But is 55 a prime number? 55 is not a prime number, so I'll be not writing this. This cannot be twin prime number. Okay, so second one I'll be writing it again. 54 is not a prime number, 55 is not a prime number, 56 is not a prime number, 57 is also not a prime number because 57 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में जाएगा. Okay, 58 is also not a prime number, 59 is a prime number. So next pair will be what? 59 and 61 because both are what? Prime number and they are also a twin prime number. Okay, third one will be what? Now 60 is not a prime number, 61 is a prime number but 63 is not a prime number. Okay, 63 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में जाएगा. Then 64 is again not a prime number, 65 is again not a prime number, 66 is not a prime number, 67 जो है वो prime number है but 67 के बाद 69 is not a prime number, so again that will be not a twin prime number. Okay, so this is how you will be finding all the twin prime numbers from where 51 to 100. This will be your homework. अगेन आई एम सेइंग कि अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है सो यू कैन आस्क मी डाउन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर फिफ्थ सम. राइट 5 pairs of twin prime number from 1 to 150. Okay, so what is next? What you have to write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so 1 to 50 तक आपको जो है प्राइम नंबर्स लिखने हैं. सो क्या होंगे? सबसे पहले यू विल बी राइटिंग 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर बट 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 3 तो लेंगे नहीं, 4 लेंगे. तो 2 and 4 आर नॉट अ ट्विन प्राइम नंबर बिकॉज 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं होता है. सो फर्स्ट पेयर विल बी व्हाट? 3 and 5. 3 and 5 will be the first pair of twin prime number. Next will be 5 and 7. उसके बाद जो है आएंगे 7 and 9 cannot be a prime number. Again 10 भी नहीं होता है. 11 and 13. Okay, 11 and 13 will be your next prime number. After that 13 and 15 cannot be twin prime number because 15 जो है वो टेबल में आता है 3 के. Okay, so next will be 17 and 19. Fourth one will be 17 and 19. Okay, फिफ्थ वन विल बी 19 एंड 21 नहीं हो सकता, 21 टेबल में आता है. 23 एंड 25 ऑल्सो कैनॉट बी. 25, 26, 27 भी नहीं होगा. 28, 29 एंड 31. सो 29 एंड 31 will be what the 5 pairs from 1 to 50. okay, so this is your whole answer. इसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, मैंने पूरा सॉल्व करके दे दिया. ओके, सिक्स वन, which are the even prime numbers? so are there any even prime numbers? क्योंकि मैंने अभी बताया if the number is a even number it cannot be prime. so we will just write if the number is a even number that then it cannot be a prime number. so you have to just write this and this will finish your sixth sum. okay, so thank you so much for watching till the end. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो नीचे कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा. अगर कुछ भी डाउट है आपको तो आप हमें नीचे बता सकते हैं. और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ पुश द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड हेल्प अस ग्रो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द स्मार्ट बॉक्स.